Hey Internet, today's tutorial is mold tools. So first of all, just right click anywhere on this bar and click mold tools. So uh, instead of me teaching you how to do it, Solidworks actually has a proper tutorial which I followed. So if you just go to help, go to tutorials, go to advanced techniques, go to mold design, and then you just follow the steps. That's how you would make a mold tool. I follow exactly the same steps, and yep, that's how you make a basic mold. I'll quickly go over the steps. So first of all, you check your draft analysis, and then you add your draft. Draft is important. As you can see, there's yellow for the molds, but they're on the outside, so they're fine. So, and apologies for people that are colorblind. Green is positive, red is negative, yellow is what you need. Okay, so draft analysis, draft. Right. After that, you scale it because when you're creating a mold, there's going to be shrinkage for parting lines. So that's where it splits off and where you push your molds out. Shut off faces is where you basically block off any holes. And then you got the mold split itself, and then you got just move, and I just moved these two apart so you can see what is actually being created. So yep, that's what the mold is. I know that was quite brief, but yeah, so draft analysis, adding draft, adding scaling, parting line, then shut off surfaces, getting ready for your tools. So you just add a plane offset somewhere. Again, just follow these steps, which is what I followed as well. Then you create the tool. Then you just move the tool apart. And done. And then I guess you can add some color to separate the molds, to identify the molds, I guess. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, and comment. Until next time, see ya.